Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export and use a Firefly designs in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, generate a design. Go to the Adobe Firefly app. Then here choose a tool like text to image, generative fill or text effects. Then enter your prompt and tap Generate. And once you're satisfied with the image that you want, download the design. Tap the download icon and it will be saved on your device. And how to use it in Photoshop. All you need to do is to go to your Photoshop Express app and open it and tap Edit Photo and select your Firefly image. You can add filters, text, overlays, and more edits. And you're fine with layers. In full Photoshop, you can use a layer mask for blending. You can add adjustment layers for color grading and combine the multiple Firefly images for unique result. And if you're subscribed to Adobe Creative Cloud, Firefly also integrates with Photoshop Beta for generative fill, allowing direct design edits using AI in Photoshop. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.